here in Phombo, one of the best computer shop in Vietnam. So now looking for my next gadget. So in here I am. Which one I'm going to choose? So I have to look around first and
You take this?
yes, please. Can I take video around? Okay, no problem, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. So in here, so I have to ask permission. So this is the product. MSI is also already included the editing for my video. It's already on the software or in the system. So now the decision making is for my kids. So they will check how much, you know guys, the price. Look at that one. It's 22,990,000. Or I have to choose for 41,990,000, or it's either 32,490,000. So which one? So here it is, and some of the brand. Look at that one, and I have to go around and roam around. So a lot of people, guys. So look at this one of the biggest, and there are white people, American. So naiya siya magpa-video. So it is, if you want to buy something computer, this is the best place. It's Phombo. I don't know my pronunciation correct it or not, but it's a Phombo. It's in 264 Nguyen Thi Minh Khai. So here is, oh my God, I don't know if the music is allowed for my video. And here it is, a lot of people are buying their things, gadget and everything. Oh, this is it. Yeah. So my editor maybe will edit. Yeah, and the next thing maybe the unboxing. And here it is. They're checking, but I'm too pasaway. I didn't wear my mask again. So here it is. Xin chào. Hello. So I'm promoting this Phombo, but I don't get paid for it because it's a place where I always buy my things, all my laptop. I bought it in here. So look at that one. So it's a promotion, but no payment for me. So in the future, if I get a lot, maybe Phombo will pay for me. Oh, that's the one, Phombo. Oh, that's the name of this shop. Oh my Genie, if you want to buy something, this is the best place. Yeah, I don't get paid for this one. I'm just happy, and I just bought my computer in here and all my gadget bought in this place. So thanks guys, bye bye. HP over here. So just now I show you about the MSI, and they have the Dell over here, and here's the Dell. Oh, I'm like the promotion. You see, I love it. They have the Acer over there, they have the Samsung over there, and they have the Dell over there, HP over here, they have Asus over there, and Lenovo over there. Oh, I don't know about this Legion, so just look at it. So here it is, guys. Claiming my laptop. So it's over here. Yeah, the repair is there. The first time I come here, I almost fall down because it's too tipping. So here's the office. In here where I claim my laptop, I don't know which area I'm going to claim. So this one, can you help me? So here it is. Where should I claim it? So here they are. Upgraded by 1 TB and additional 8 GB. It total 16 GB. So it's, you see that one. So that is considered my unboxing. Is this my box? So this is my box. They already opened it for me. So it's considered my unboxing. So I don't need to video my unboxing. So it is here. They fix it. They fix a lot in here. Then I don't understand what they're doing. But as long as they do it right, ayan, mga salita nila guys. Hindi mo maintindihan. And here's my box. I think I don't need to do the unboxing. So this is considered my unboxing. I'm not really sure. Ayan. So upgraded for all. So I'm not really sure what is this all about. This is not my expertise, but this is their expertise. So I do trust them what they're doing. Okay guys, thank you. Yan, ang aking bagong gadget. So, mainit-init pa. Binili sa Pombo. Ayan. This is it. Although may video na ako sa unboxing ko. So, MSI. So, it's a new version. There's specialized for editing. Ayan. Yan siya. So, guys. So, paano ba ito? Paano ba siya buksan? Paano ba siya buksan? Paano ba siya? Paano ba siya buksan? True Gaming. Ayan, True Gaming. Mag-gaming ng lola nyo. Adya. Ayan, hindi pa marunong magbukas ng inyong lola. Kinagat pa ako ng... So, yan siya guys. Mainit-init pa. MSI. Ayan. Nakabox pa siya talaga. Nakabalot pa talaga siya. So guys, ayan, kita ba? So ito siya. Ito na, MSI. Ayan siya. Balik ko sa kanyang pagkakabalot. So, ayan siya guys. So this is it. Ang bagong gadget ng inyong lola. So here it is. Ayan, so ito, manual. Paano gamitin, syempre, MSI. Ayan. Ang daming language. Ayan, so, Korean. Ang dami niya. So, yan guys. Next. Tatagin natin yun. So, syempre, ang bilis ko. Ito siya. Ayan, ito siya. So, ito siya. So, thank you guys. Susunod naman mamaya. Ayan, kakabit na natin. Balik na natin. Kakabit natin. So, yan guys. Thank you for watching. Ayan. Kakabit na natin yan. Tapon-tapon natin ang iba. So, yan siya.